Hey guys, today we're going to a super cool gun show. I thought they were going that way, so I'm gonna go this way because he has more bullets than me. Let's go, guys. Coming. I'm gonna go out. They might be over here. Joey! I was looking for something. I wanted to go out. Are you gonna shoot me? Guys, I already said one time ago that we're going to do a super cool gun show. And he has more bullets than me. I was talking about this. My brother Joey, he's 5 years old. My brother Jaden, he's 4 years old.
He has one more.
His birthday was in September 30th.
Okay, count, guys. Okay? I'm gonna go.
Okay. I have one bullet in. If you guys can see. Go! I'm gonna count to 10. 10.
Count to 20.
Okay, 20. 20. 19. 18. Jane, terus namanya kemana sih? Yoi, this time, Jane gonna be on my team this time, okay? 15. 14. 13. 12. Look, there's a good pile there in a new house building right there. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's run. Девочка, no, вот тут, на вот этой дорожке, на вот тут пиши. Вот тут пиши. He's not here. I guess so. I guess he's not here. Так. This time you're gonna be the camera guy. Do not say anything. Okay? You can say, guys, we're going to get.
Guys, we know?
No, you're gonna. Guys, you and my little brother is going to get the. Is going to catch me.
Okay, I'm going down.
And you have to shoot. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, count to 20.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Fuck, that's what the book we do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20. Here I come! Here I come! Okay, guys. Here's my little brother. It's a beautiful house, guys. Yeah. It's a. I'll get my son. Let's go to see look our house. It's so beautiful, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go get her, guys.
Sorry, but we cannot use this one. It's so hard to get this one out. If you see that, do not get it.
No! cannot use it.
No, Yui, that thing I cannot figure it out. Okay, I have 2. Let's divide it. 3. I think we will do the thing.
Guys, people subscribe. I missed this one. I will get into the way out because I don't know what to do. We have 41%, guys. So, guys, subscribe to me. Please, I want and 2 million and maybe 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 9 million, 10 million. Get 10 million for me, for not and for Emma Companion. Okay, guys? Watch to the end. Watch to the end.
Yui, do not go like this. Like this, okay? Hold it out here like this so that people will see where you're going, or like this at your face. Okay? That is the rules.
Okay, give me the gun.
No, Jin has it.
Come on, gun. Then? Okay, I will.
Okay.
I got gun.
You have to shoot me, okay?
No,
You have to shoot
how about you be the person? I'll be the. Okay, my God. Okay, count to 20. Okay.
Hey, but you have to shoot me and I have to shoot you.
Okay, bye. You guys. You. This. What else do you want? I have to. Let's go, Jaden. Yes. Here's a beautiful house. Yes. A little bit far. Oh my goodness, there's skill. Yes. Here's a beautiful house. Let's see. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Oh, you think about Here we go.
The game plan.
Here we go. You'll be the camera guy and you'll be counting again.
Guys, now it's the game plan.
We will be riding bikes with our guns. We have to shoot
Yeah.
inside, guys. Okay, guys? Guys.
Yeah, she's going. Guys, we finished the Nerf gun fights.
I'm gonna tell you something. Today, watch to the end, okay, guys? Because look what we have. Look what's on the right.
Gonna go over there and explore.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna see what is that pile of dirt. Remember when we started the Nerf gun fight? I told you guys about the dirt pile. So today, finally, we finished the Nerf gun fighting. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's Nerf gun fight in this. And so, finally, we finished the Nerf gun fight.
We are so close.
Nobody won. Yeah.
Yeah, nobody won. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, nobody won.
Let's go doing, yeah? Well, broken hit.
I'm parking my bike.
My bike will...
Now let's go over there and see.
Yeah, let's go back. Actually not close. Wait, I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Actually not. Wait, it's not. Guys, actually not. First time to hold the camera on his tummy.
Let's go and play.
Yeah, play.
get out of the space. I don't see why they need this pile. Wow. This is roots. Guys, this is what, guys, this is roots. This is what roots look like under the ground. I guess they digged out something.
Get on up this thing.
Yeah, let's go.
I know how to climb.
I guess this is
Okay, you go
the best thing to do. Oh, I can hold on this to not get dirt in my
pants.
Yeah, pants and my shoes.
And also your socks.
Oh yeah, and socks. Done. We got off. Wow, so much loot.
I'm on the back. Oh my God.
This thing is falling, and I am kind of falling.
I'm gonna do this.
Oh wow. I guess it's the base of a tree. What? Wait, how did you get up?
Get up. There's no. I'm not ready. Let's stop.
Oh.
No, this
3, 2, 1. I guess I thought I got on the highest one. Whoa. Look how far our bikes are. Why did we even park all the way over there? Why?
We didn't move. Oh. I said.
Here. Whoa.
Move. I need to stand. Move.
Go. Whew.
Oh.
There are too much roots. Phew.
Guys, get up.
Coming. If you guys know, my name is Leonardo Endo.
And I'm you.
That was what my name of my channel was. It was Leonardo Endo. Then I changed it to Leonardo Endo Live because I wanted to. Don't blame me. Please don't. Actually, don't. I just wanted it like that. Wait.
Guys, this is so cool, guys. Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Wait, move.
I still don't see why they needed to. Oh, what is that blue thing? That's a mystery.
I'm gonna jump. Bye. Oh, so bad.
Oh. More roots. This is the most biggest one.
That's the roof. That's the most biggest roof you've ever seen, guys.
Wow. This is really impressive. This is impressive how they did it. Hey, but we still have to go there because I don't see where the end of the road is. Oh. Every 5 seconds I have to My shoes sink every 5 seconds.
Me too. Oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1.
Goodness, too.
Oh, you have sandals. To walk on sand.
Wait, wait for me now.
Oh no. Oh no. You not get my shield. Please get my.
Pull me.
What? How am I?
Oh. Here, pause. I'm gonna. Here. That's funny. Wait, we know when the life.
My name is not Leonardo Life. My name is Leonardo Lando. My actual name.
And your actual name is. Wait.
Nobody would have a second name. No, you have a third name. Life. Everyone has a life.
Could I?
Oh.
Move a little bit so.
Oh.
Finally, yeah.
I'm on the edge. Oh.
I'm holding you.
Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah.
Let's go get a action roll. Oh my goodness.
People, let's go down.
Guys, wait. That's so funny.
You're running away. I'm gonna catch you.
Oh my God, please.
Hey, I was the first to get there.
No.
Running.
I want to be with you.
Okay, you can run, I can walk. Go. I'll give you 10 seconds to run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you won. Wait, stop.
Can we go? My bag is too little.
Go. No, that way. The other way I told you. That way, Piama. Straight to you. There's the dirt pile over there. See ya. It's Phillips, Custom Builders LC. 417-830-1872. So, we are going there. Oh wow. What? I got it 100%. Guys, watch. There is mail. It's yeah, you is tired. Why? What? We're almost done. There's nothing. Oh, our neighbors came. Okay, guys, we're almost to the end of our road trip. It's road trip west or east or south or north. I actually Why is there a truck? There's a truck over there. Oh, our neighbors. What is going on in your house? They're building a pool. Like they have a cement truck. What is this truck? Oh, a dump truck with a trailer. Why do they need that? I don't know, but and the velo trip, woo! And the velo trip. But this neighbor has so many mysteries to him. He has cars. He has some kind of cars, building cars, trucks, a cement truck, a dump truck with a trailer, which there might be something. What a tractor, excavator, and bulldozer? What is going on? Yeah, and that neighbor has so much mysteries. Nobody can solve them. But I'm almost home. I'm going on faster. Look how fast I'm going. I'm on 8. That's why I'm going super fast. On 5 is... Yeah, that neighbor has so much mysteries. And this house... So we're almost home. And so I'm almost home to win. To trip of mysteries and mysterious rocks and sand and out.
Look. What the hell is there? This and this.
This is what I was wheeling. Hold this thing. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! No, I'm trying to make him do something.
Do something. Can I jump
There's
over?
one more. Bring up. One more.
A brown one. Yeah.
This one is happy. But if you're gonna find it, you're gonna get a surprise.
What's there? Oh yeah, this is
me. Do you see it? Do you see it?
Да.
Look,
I see it.
Let's go catch it. You know, stay by
It is.
Yeah, fast, go give me a phone. Fast. Let's say go fast. And you acting back.
Yeah.
Mama.
Fight!
He doesn't want to fight. Yeah, then.
Are they fighting? Oh. I guess.
You're fighting. Mogły pytajcie spać starsze.
We don't know who won.
Okay, just let them go.
No, let's fight. Fight some more.
They are so exhausted they don't want to fight.
Yeah. Now they'll fight.
So what's his channel?
He's watching. Oh, no, not the mucha. We need mucha. We need to fly. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the Nerf gun fight. The mysterious adventure. And the bug fight. Bye. See you next time. And get me to 500 subscribers before June 22nd, 2024. Bye.